In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect GameSir G7 Pro Wireless to Xbox. The connection method depends on your specific G7 Pro model, as some versions support wireless Xbox connectivity, while others only support wired Xbox connections. So the first thing that you need to do is start by turning on your Xbox Series X, Series S, or Xbox One console and wait until it finishes loading to the home screen. After done that, you need to connect the wireless receiver. So locate the USB wireless receiver that came with your GameSir G7 Pro. And then I need you to plug the receiver into an available USB port on your Xbox console. The receiver should light up indicating that it is receiving power. And then you need to switch the controller to 2.4 GHz mode. On the controller, find the mode switch and move it to the 2.4G position. This mode is required for wireless communication through the USB receiver. After that, you need to turn on the controller. So I want you to press the Xbox button on the controller. The controller will begin searching for the new receiver automatically. And after a few moments, the Xbox indicator latch should become solid, confirming a successful connection. And speaking of connection, you need to test that connection itself. Use the thumbsticks or D-pad to navigate through the Xbox dashboard. If you can move through the menus and select items, the controller is successfully connected and ready to use. Now, I'm going to give you some troubleshooting tips. For example, if your controller won't connect, make sure the receiver is fully inserted into the Xbox USB port. Verify that the controller is set to 2.4G mode, not Bluetooth mode. Restart both controller and the Xbox console. Charge the controller if the battery is low. Now, if Xbox doesn't respond to button presses, some standard G7 Pro versions support wireless connectivity only on PC and Android, while Xbox support may be limited to wired mode depending on the model. So I need you to check your controller's edition and documentation. Community reports indicate that only certain special editions such as 𝗫𝗎 and 𝗫𝗍𝗲 variants support wireless Xbox connectivity through the included receiver. And if you are using a wired connection instead, if your model doesn't support wireless Xbox connectivity, connect the included USB-C cable directly from the controller to the Xbox console and press the Xbox button. The controller should connect automatically. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect a GameSir G7 Pro Wireless to your Xbox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.